Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
With Markle due to have her first child with Prince Harry in April, an appearance on the show that made her a star is unlikely. Explaining why they decided to end production after season 9, with many hypothesizing it was a result of Markle's departure, Korsh explained it had to do with contracts.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Patrick J. Adams played Mike Ross for more than 100 episodes of legal drama Suits. However, he decided to depart from the Aaron Korsh-helmed show at the end of the 7th season. After they tied the knot, Mike told Harvey that he and Rachel were moving to Seattle to set up a law clinic.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The real reason why Mike Ross did not return in season 8 of Suits is that Patrick J. Adams believed that there was nothing more left to be explored for the character. Mike's fraudulent qualifications were found out and he did time in the jail as well.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Aloma Wright. Following Donna's decision to leave Harvey, Gabriel matched, and work for his longtime firm nemesis, Louis Litt, Rick Hoffman, the USA drama has cast Aloma Wright, Scrubs, as Harvey's new secretary, The Hollywood Reporter has learned.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.